Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to fix the ref error in Google Sheets that happens when you delete rows. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So when you delete a row and suddenly a bunch of formulas turn into graph, that usually means your formula was pointing to a cell that no longer exists. This happens when you directly delete rows or columns that your formulas depend on. Let's look at a quick example. If I delete this row containing a link, it will make the import range formula give error down here. That is because this formula needs the link from the row we are deleting. To prevent this, don't hardcode cell references, if the structure might change. Instead, use functions like index, match, or even named ranges. These are much more flexible. You can also protect key rows or columns. Just right-click the row number, go to View More Cell Actions, then Protect Range, and lock it from accidental errors or deletion. Another tip is, before deleting, double-check if any formulas are pointing to that row. Just click on the formula cell and it will highlight the cells it depends on. And if you do hit a ref error, you can fix it manually by editing the broken formula and relinking it to the correct cell. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.